So this is a bit of a stitch up. The loosest, wildest rotary, the meanest at Hampton Downs, and I think I've found the loosest, wildest rotary, the meanest, and I've just been doing laps in it. So this video, yeah, you're gonna see a fair bit. So please subscribe and keep watching. And I've just been doing laps in it. Dangerous. Dangerous. This is fucking dangerous. It's the fucking wildest thing. Dangerous. Crazy. Dangerous. And that was the fucking dangerous thing. That was like the level of dangerous. Dangerous. And dangerous. And dangerous. And crazy.
That's on low boost though.
Bro, keep it at low boost, man. Here we go again. Wildest thing. Dangerous. And
Yeah, he said sweet.
so this is a bit of a stitch up. Hit the subscribe button for more of that shit. Hit the subscribe button for more of that shit.